Hey y'all, long time and no see. I know. Today I feel like vlogging for you guys. I want to bring you guys along with me. I'm going to do more vlogs because I really enjoy watching vlogs and I just like sharing my journey with you guys. But nevertheless, I'm kind of in a rush today. What time is it? It's 12:08 and I have to leave at 12:30, so I have about 20 minutes to get ready because we have Pilates class. Just did my hair. So pretty much I just threw my wig on and I have a band around it because I didn't lay it down because I actually sweat in Pilates class, believe it or not. I didn't think I was gonna be sweating in these type of classes, but I actually sweat. So I'm not even gonna take the time out to lay it down because it's not worth it. But I did want to put a band on it because I don't need my wig going anywhere because that would be embarrassing. Typically I just wear a pair of leggings and a t-shirt, and I think I'm going to do these black leggings that I'm going to throw on, and then I think I'm just going to do like this black cutout shirt because I already have my bra on. Then I'm going to wear the sports bra underneath it. So I think that's going to be it, and then you just have to wear a pair of grip socks, which I hope and pray they're in the car because if not I have no idea where they are. So let me get dressed and I'll show you guys the outfit, and then again I'll tell you guys more about Pilates and everything in the car.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent.
Alright, so I'm about to make a little fruit smoothie. I have this I get from Winco, but I'm gonna make it into a protein shake because I need to have a higher intake of protein. So the protein I use right now, I used to use this Herbalife. Let me show you guys. I do this occasionally. This is a pineapple mango flavor, I think, or mango pineapple. Okay, I've had this for a while. I'm not really a huge fan of this flavor, but I'd finish it. I drink it every once in a while to finish it off because I paid for it. They have like a banana flavor that's really good. This protein to try it out because I do take the gummies for Nature Brown, so I want to try this. This is what I'm going to mix into my fruit smoothie. This is okay. I don't really like the aftertaste of it. The aftertaste is kind of like earthy tasting, which I don't really like that aftertaste. The Herbalife doesn't have the aftertaste. It's like really good. It's just the flavor I got. Mango pineapple is not the greatest, but the fruit in there, the bananas and stuff like that, it usually makes it a lot better. So that's what I'm going to do is add this in here. I'm going to mix it in with some chia seeds. And oh, I don't have almond milk. Shoot. I usually like to mix in almond milk as my liquid, but I don't have any almond milk. I need to go get some more. So I'm actually going to use a pineapple juice. It's 100% pineapple orange juice. Alright, you guys, so I finished my smoothie. So I'm gonna see how it tastes because like I said, I usually use almond milk if I use a protein and I use juice if I just do like a fruit smoothie. So I don't know how it's gonna taste, but we're gonna try it. It's very fruity and like yogurty. So it's not bad. I can drink it. So I picked up a couple things from Target, and so I guess this is a popular brand. It's by JoyLab, and I didn't even know anything about it, so I went to Target and found it, and it's super cute and I can't wait to wear it. Now it was super hard to find this. I don't know if this is like popular on TikTok or whatever, but the sizing was really hard to get matched up together. But I ended up getting this blue color. I wanted the olive, but they were out of olive. But this is really cute top. And the quality on it is like really good. But it's super cute. It's strappy. If I can get it right, the strap is very strappy in the back. And it has really great support, which is why I like it, because I can just wear the top without having to worry about whether or not I'm going to be supported or not. So this is really cute. And then I went ahead and got the shorts, which I love too, because look at this band on it. It's super thick. We did downsize to a small on these because again I had trouble finding my size. Like the only thing they had was like small extra smalls or like extra larges. So the medium girls, but it was hard. I got the last blue top in a medium, thank God. So I picked this up for Pilates. And then also because I feel re-motivated, you know, my creativity feel like it's coming back, I got me a new planner. And this one says one thing at a time, and I thought this is something I definitely need. I already went in and started filling it out the other night, and then it has like some little stickers in there as well. And then I like this one because it's not a dated planner, it's just a planner. All right, so I also have all these packages. I'm waiting for one more package. I think I'm gonna do a separate video because I want to open these packages up for you guys. And then I also need to hang this up. I need to hang this up. I've been working on like my August goal.
Booty play on my weakness, satisfying you when I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it up, cause I just don't know.
Alright, so I just came from the dollar store. I got 2 cards because I couldn't decide. They were only 50 cents, so I got that. And like I'm the person that buys like those like really corny cards. Like I never buy like a sentimental card. It's just kind of my thing. So I got this really cute little card. And then I got another card like this because I'm always joking with my mom about drinking water. So yes, I got her 2 cards, and then I'll probably just give her some money because that's what she requested. So that's what we're gonna give her. Good morning, you guys. It's another day. Today is Sunday. I'm super tired. Today is a rough day. I had to come home and took a nap. I already got up, went to church. I go to church super early in the morning because I like to come back and have like the rest of the day to do whatever. But today I was super tired, so I came back. I just got out of the bed, y'all. Excuse my room, it's a mess. I'm about to clean up. And then we got a lot of editing to do today. I have a lot of stuff to get prepped for the week. Tomorrow starts a new month. So we got a lot to do. You guys, the weather is horrible. It's not, the weather is, it's rainy and droopy, which I actually like it. It's a good day to stay home and get stuff done. So that's what we're gonna do today. And we're gonna do some editing. I gotta clean up first because I can't do anything in like mess. And then I'm gonna make another video for you guys, which will be posted either before this one or I'll post it right after. But either way, it'll post the same week as this vlog. Let me show you guys what it looks like outside. It's like super, oh, you guys can't see, it doesn't look like it, but it's like super wet outside. So yeah, that's what it's looking like outside. Like I love this weather. We definitely need the rain, so I'm not mad at it, and it cools things down. So yeah, so we have a lot to do today, but first I'm going to clean up and I'm gonna eat some leftovers, y'all. We went to yesterday was my mom's birthday, and we went to Morton's Steakhouse, and I had the lobster mac and cheese. It was bomb. I tried this wagyu steak for the first time. It was delicious. I ate all my food, so I didn't have it, but I do have leftover mac and cheese that I'm about to go eat too because that was so good. But yeah, we gotta clean up because we got a lot to do today. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I went in, like, did my hair and did some makeup because I am filming. I'm gonna tilt my camera around and show you guys what I'm doing. So I got these like new lights in that I'm like testing out. Sorry if it's like super bright, but I got these new lights, and as you can see, I got stuff everywhere because I did an unboxing video. So I did an unboxing video of like some things I've been ordering off of Amazon to really get me started with this like YouTube, or not started, to keep me going through this journey of like YouTube and becoming a content creator. So that's what all that mess is for. That's what those new lights are for, because I unboxed them. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, you guys. I have a lot to do. I have to get these videos up and ready by next week for you guys. I have 2 videos for sure. I'm gonna try to film one more. It's getting late though, so we'll see if I can get another one in tonight. But if not, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like the vlogs, and definitely make sure you're subscribed so you can stay tuned with me. Do all that stuff, all the follow me on Instagram, all that. All my links will be down below for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.